How to create QR code for Google Drive folder. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So what you simply need to do over here is first of all launch your Google Drive. And as you launch the Google Drive, you have to select on any of your folders. So let's tap on Google Drive folder and select on any of these folders. So let's tap on the three dotted lines and then tap on copy link. As you tap on copy link, go for the browser over here. And as you open up the browser, you can simply launch the main page and search for the QR code generator. So let's search for QR code generator. And as you do that, you can go for any of these options. I'm going to select on the very first one. So as you do that, what you simply need to do is, let's just put it back on over here, and here we just have to enter the link that we had copied. As we tap on it, you just have to paste it and generate QR code, and there you go. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.